Alright, so today I'll be doing this little floor. Just kind of dry set my tile. Starting off with a full tile and making my cuts along this wall. Got some pre-cut tile for the vents. And then I undercut the doors so that my tile is nice and tucked underneath the door frame. And yeah. So what I'm doing here is I'm trying to figure out how to cut the rounded edge by the tub. So I'm measuring the top was about 6.5 and the bottom was about 8.5. So I'm just going to cut it at a diagonal, and then I'm going to bring that piece of tile back, and I'm going to use a pencil, as you can see here, and I'm going to mark it along the tub to get that nice curved line. So there's the Sharpie, and I had a hard time because these were glazed tiles, so I had to use different types of Sharpies, markers, and pencils in order to mark my tile. But with a regular tile, it'll be a lot easier. This is just a shiny, polished tile. So there's a Sharpie, I mark my line, then I got my pencil, and take it back to the tile side. I'm going to try to cut that curve.